Roadrunners. Roadrunners can be up to 2 feet long. They eat lizards. Roadrunners are found in the southern United States and Mexico. They are called the snake killer because a roadrunner can kill a snake. They also eat scorpions. Roadrunners also eat mice. They got their name Roadrunner because they always race out in front of cars across the highway. Roadrunners can be up to 1 foot tall. They live in hot, dry deserts. Roadrunners run fast. They can run up to 24 kilometers per hour. They have long legs and a tail which help them balance and run fast.